If you're looking to upgrade your dash on the 10th gen Accord, this right here is a great option. The price range is around $350 to $400. So it comes with everything you need. It's basically plug and play, really easy to install. It's got the factory backup cam. You get wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. You get an awesome equalizer for your music if you're into that. So the screen is very fluid. I am very impressed, and it's a great option because there's many to pick from. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys exactly which one I grabbed right here. So a cool feature about this dash is you could go right here to the Play Store and download any app you want. Like we got Spotify. I gotta connect to the hotspot so the internet's down on here right now. YouTube, you can do YouTube, man. The dash does come with the cord mount right here. Very easy to install. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down and I'll respond whenever I can. Alright guys, but other than that, thanks for checking out the video. Peace.